Hello, student. Welcome to my channel, A Journey of Exploring Education. Today, you will see the presentation of Miss Sophia Momin on Human Resource Management. So, let's see the presentation.
Good morning everyone. Myself, Sophia Mumin, currently studying in BBA first year, going to present some part of HR management. Today, I am going to explain roles, functions, characteristics and qualities of HR manager under guidance of Miss Nehal ma'am. First of all, we'll see what is HR management. Human resource management is the strategic approach to the effective and efficient management of people in a company or organization such that they help their business gain a competitive advantage. It is designed to maximize employees' performance in service of employer strategic objectives. Who is an HR manager? HR manager is a guide, philosopher, friend, pathfinder, path identifier, problem solver, competence maker of the human resource. Generally, there are three phases of human resource management, namely the pre-hiring phase of employees, training and development phase, and the post-hiring phase of employees. HR managers are bestowed with the responsibility to recruit right employees to fill in the vacant position in the organization. Let us see roles of HR manager. Human resource planning. Human resource planning is continuous process of systematic planning ahead to achieve optimum use of an organization most valuable asset, that is quality employees. Next is job analyzing and design. HR manager need to analyze, investigate and identify the duties, tasks, responsibilities, skills and knowledge needed for a certain job profile and design the job as per needs of employees with the objectives of the organization. Hiring candidates. Hiring skillful employees is important job of HR manager as it is valuable part of HRM. Training and development. Training and development in HRM is for improvement in skills of employees. HR manager needs to work on improving skills of employees and educate them about new technologies. Design workplace policies. HR managers have to design workplace policies to guide employees and improve employer-employees relationship. Monitor performance. Noting every move of employees and seeing changes in their performance regarding deadlines, meeting goals, etc. is important role of HR manager. Re- Rewards and incentives. Recognizing employees' achievements and rewarding them and motivating them is an important role performed by the HR manager. This motivates employees to work harder. Characteristics of HR manager. Sympathetic attitude, that is being nice to every employee and treating them with sympathy and encouraging them when they lag behind is an important part of HRM job. Quick decision making. HR manager should be clear about his decision and invest in the right person as it will be affecting the business. Patience. People are going to have problems over and over again. There will be multiple people with the same problems. HR manager should be a patient person as he or she will be have to listen to people to figure out what the true problem is and try to help them out. Social responsibility. Social responsibility is defined as commitment or obligation of manager to take steps for protecting and improving society's welfare. Leadership quality. HR manager should have ability to lead when there is necessity. Good communication skill. HR manager should have good communication skill as he or she will be communicating with multiple people and he or she should be a professional speaker and good listener. Qualities of HR manager. These are some qualities of HR manager. First, be organized. Second, communicate effectively. Third, lead by example. That means to act in the way that shows others how to act. Fourth is enjoy solving problems. Fifth, be comfortable making difficult decisions. Sixth, Take risk. Seventh, be talented multitasker. A HR manager should be a multitasker as he have to deal with multiple tasks like solving problem, making decisions, hiring, development, training, etc. Let us now see functions of HR manager. First is employer-employee relationship. The relationship between employer and employee should be mutual and respectful. HRM can play important role in building relationship between an employer and an employee by conducting activities that allows employer and employee work together. Second is maintaining company culture. HR conduct will affect the company culture. Positive result can be achieved by having communication channels that allows for open talks and exchange of feedbacks. HR can also improve the culture by criticizing the employees constructively when they go wrong and rewarding them when they perform above the expectations. Manage employees benefits. Employees benefits are non-financial. Manage employees benefits. Employees benefits are non-financial compensation provided to an employee as a part of employment contract. From an employee's point of view, a good package of benefits increase the value they receive from their working life. Create safe work environment. Have employees feel their importance and expectance from the relationship your company foster. Let workers know their value. Empower them to take ownership of their contribution to the brand. Encourage your team to work together to achieve goals and give them time to survive those moments. Handle discipline action. A disciplinary action is a corrective action in response to employees' misconduct, rule valuation, or poor performance. Depending on the severity of the case, a disciplinary action can take different. Next is performance management. HR performance management system enable manager to track and monitor performance of individual employees as well as department. HR data and analytics. Human resource analytics is defined as the area in the field of analytics that deals with people analysis and applying analytical process to the human capital within the organization to improve employees' performance. I heartily thank you all to listening to my presentation. In conclusion, I would like to say that HR manager is an important and skillful person of organization. Thank you.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.